So, I have a pet peeve. There are all these charity rating services in the world that purport to tell you how efficient nonprofits are by the percentage of the money that they spend on program, as opposed to overhead, administration, fundraising, etc. And the problem with this scenario is that we are asked to spend the money wisely. We're asked to deliver our programs effectively. We're asked to retain staff who are passionate and committed and professional. The problem with this is if you're going to track the money effectively, you need a really good financial management system. That's an administrative cost. If we're going to have really effective staff, we need to develop them. We need to have money set aside for staff development and training. That's an administrative cost. If we're going to deliver really effective programs, we need to be able to monitor those programs, track how effectively they are. Those tracking systems are administrative costs. So we have this double bind. We are asked to do stuff highly efficiently, and yet we're not given the tools that we need to do them efficiently. And so I think it's our job to educate our donors and our grantors that the money we spend on admin, the money we spend on staff development, the money we spend on training our boards, the money we spend on financial management systems, maybe that's not a program fee, but it makes the programs work. It makes our work more effective. And so I am on a one-person crusade to try and change our thinking about this. Admin costs are a good thing. Fundraising costs are the thing that allow us to go out and raise money, build support in our communities. These are not something to be ashamed of. These are things we should be proud of.